Welcome to Tricky's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy. Today, Tricky will show you how to make Methi Paneer. This is a quick and easy, healthy and nutritious dish made with fresh fenugreek leaves and Indian cottage cheese. So let's get started with the ingredients. These are the ingredients for preparing the Methi Paneer. The method: heat oil in a pan, then add in the chopped green chilies and the diced onions. Fry until the onions turn light brown, then set aside to cool. When the fried onions have cooled down, add them to a grinding jar, along with the coriander seed powder, pepper powder, garam masala powder, Kashmiri chili powder, turmeric powder, cumin seed powder, and yogurt. Grind to a smooth paste, then set aside for later. Now heat oil in a frying pan and fry the diced paneer for a couple of minutes until light brown. Then remove and drain on a kitchen towel and set aside for later use in this recipe. Now heat oil in a non-stick pan and add in the cumin seeds, fennel seeds, curry leaves and ginger garlic paste and fry for a couple of seconds. Please note, the oil must not be too hot, else the ingredients will burn. Add in the tomatoes and the salt and fry well until all the water evaporates. Add in the onion paste and fry well. When it is well fried, add water as required and continue to cook. Note, you can add hot water as required to adjust the consistency of the dish to your liking. Then bring to boil. Add in the freshly chopped fenugreek leaves. Mix and continue to cook. Now drop in the fried paneer that we had prepared and set aside. Mix well. Then cover and simmer for a couple of minutes. Now add in the cardamom powder and cream and garnish with green coriander and diced red chilies. This is a good time to taste, so add salt and pepper powder only if required to adjust the taste of the dish to your liking. And again, cover and simmer until done. Finally, serve hot with coriander and garlic naan, onion and lemon slices, or any other accompaniment of your choice, such as a sweet lassi or masala papad. And there you have it, a healthy and nutritious dish, Methi Paneer. So thank you for stopping by. Hope you will give this recipe a try. Have lots of fun in the process as you toy, and most of all, don't forget to enjoy. Tricky's Kitchen has lots of other delicious recipes that you would like to try out. So be sure to click on the video link on your screen right now and watch another video. And subscribe to Tricky's Kitchen if you haven't yet for more delicious recipes.